What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with AltCoin Buzz. So I'm sitting here early on in the morning hours taking a look at the market, and there's actually some massive sell-off happening here as we've gone from, well, it's not a massive sell-off. We've definitely seen more, but we're seeing a lot of red candles on GDAX as we're watching the market continue to trend down. And we wanted to know what could be causing that, but it's on a day where we're expecting the futures market to potentially drive the market upwards, although I'm not getting my hopes up. To see this right now is definitely concerning. Ripple is taking a hit. I do like Ripple below $1, although I won't buy any Ripple below $1, but people who are trying to get into Ripple, buying Ripple below $1 is a good thing. It's definitely better than buying it at 115 or 137 where it was stuck, sitting at, down 14% on the day. Cardano continues to pull back. I like Cardano in the 30-cent range, but if you're really hungry to get into Cardano, this is a good price. Definitely there's been an issue with IOTA, so there's been massive red here. We're just seeing a whole lot of red, which is kind of ironic because a lot of people were anticipating a run here, a rally with the futures market on January 26th now reactivating. If we just update this again. But I want to talk about some of the news that's coming up at this hour. For those of you who are just waking up, you have this news right here. Japan, so this is on Cointelegraph. It's posted 54 minutes ago. Japan. Coincheck exchange freezes all withdrawals as up to $723 million leaves its wallet. So as you know, 40% of the volume is made up of Japanese investment. So Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Coincheck has suspended all withdrawals as Ripple payment worth $123 million left its wallet Friday, January 26th. So there's some concern with why so much money came out of their account. So they had to suspend it. In what appears to be a problem tied to its support of AltCoin, NEM Coincheck, which is among Japan's largest exchange, suddenly froze NEM deposits Friday. An accompanying blog post stated, depositing NEM on Coincheck is currently being restricted. Deposits made to your account will not be reflected in your balance, and we advise all users to refrain from making deposits until the restriction has been lifted. The restriction then spread to NEM sales and purchases, followed by withdrawals before the exchange subsequently stopped all currency withdrawals, both crypto and fiat. So because of the action that we're seeing at the hour that we're seeing it, it was definitely an indication that this was some Asian activity, which would lead me to say that some of these red candles that we're seeing here could be related to Asia. Now, how the futures market is going to affect the market tomorrow, or well, today actually, I should call it today, we'll soon know, because Wall Street is getting ready to wake up. The rest of America is getting ready to wake up. We'll see if they dive right in and take advantage of these amazing prices, or if the market continues into a bearish trend as we've just been moving sideways. If we take a look at the overall market here, you can see what we're looking at. Let's just look at the month. We have this sell-off that is what's leading to this video here. So from 557 down to where we're at 511. And if we dial it into the last 7 days, you can see we've really been moving sideways. Although January 20th, we did have a fairly decent market cap, and that was $632 billion when it looked like the market was getting ready to recover, but then we pulled back on a yank. Me personally, man, look at that. That's just a strong sell-off right there. It really is a strong sell-off. To see that they're talking about how that $123 million left its wallet. That's interesting. Massive XRP moved from Coincheck to somewhere. Does this relate to their today's NEM freeze? On both English and Japanese social media, Coincheck promised users it would provide full details in due course, while in the meantime apologizing for the abrupt cut to service. Notably, Coincheck is not registered with Japan's Financial Services Authority, a regulator responsible for overseeing exchanges in the country, unlike several other prominent cryptocurrency exchanges such as Bitflyer and Coinin. Reports have also surfaced of Japanese media starting to gather at Coincheck's headquarters. So this sell-off could be related to some Japanese drama that's occurring with this Coincheck exchange. And I'm just putting this out there because I know a lot of you guys are going to wake up and wonder what the heck is going on with the market. And that's why we're making this video. Now, another thing that we have kind of coming up on the 2-hour chart here with Cointelegraph, Russia's Ministry of Finance legalizes cryptocurrency trading. Central bank disagrees. Let's come over here to Twitter and see what's going on. Let's check CoinDesk and see if we get some additional information and insight into what's going on here. So, People's Bank of China official pushes for centralized state digital currency. Well, isn't that cute? Isn't that just so cute? China now wants to make a national digital currency. By the way, guys, I will say this. I just watched a video on CNBC where a banker, one of the bankers in Canada, basically said that they won't be regulating cryptocurrency because they want to see innovation in the space. So what they're basically doing, a lot of these governments are kind of allowing to happen, is for these projects to experiment in innovation and continue to innovate and create better banking and finance systems. So they're not gonna regulate it. They want to kind of let them experiment. But the fact that they're not looking to regulate it right now, does that mean that at some point they will pull the rug? That's kind of what we have to keep an eye on, because is the ultimate goal to let this free market kind of run and then eventually create a globalized cryptocurrency system where instead of using fiat dollars, they use digital currencies for each nation state, which we already see happening with several countries, including this here with the centralized state digital currency in China. Let's see what the comments on CoinDesk say. So they're pushing a renamed inflation Chinese yuan, on a centralized blockchain. Haha, how would a centralized currency monitored by the government curb people's desire for private cryptocurrencies? They need to get with the program. When will the Chinese people stand up for their human rights? What a joke, fail. Maybe not just China, world domination perhaps. There's the renminbi. See, this is Bank of China, the new world currency. Renminbi services. It's no surprise that this is tweeted right before CME futures expire. Noobs are panic selling BTC, 185 BTC. Yeah, see, there's been a sell-off on GDAX. If I could just see if I could pinpoint that for you. Look at this. Four red candles followed by two green, red, big red candle, green. There's a little bit of a green spurt right there, but we're still in a bearish trend, as you can see, as we're here in the later hours of the evening. Now, let's see what's going on our social media, AltCoin Buzz IO. See if we've got anyone giving us updates here. Probably going to do a live tweet as we're on the phone, or as we're on the video here. You guys are more than welcome to respond to this. All right, guys, so Stay up to date with us at AltCoin Buzz.io so that you can help keep the community informed, the altcoin army. We'll see. I'm going to take a look here. Let's take a look over here while we wait for that information to come out. 506 billion. So we're still seeing that trend keep up. You can see these red candles happening here. I'm not really too sure what to think here. Let's see if anyone's responding here. Future CME, then it's payday. Slow bleed hurts. HODL. Coincheck hacked. Okay, so Coincheck has been hacked. Or maybe some futures contracts are expiring today. Is everyone going to Robinhood? Is that Friday crypto sell-off? Crypto markets are usually priced low on Fridays. Yep. Okay, so they're talking about this same thing here. Futures contracts expire tomorrow. The Russians are hacking crypto. What does this mean? Futures contract. So we got a lot of action on our Twitter. So thanks to everyone who's been responding. If you want to stay up to date with what's been going on after this video, go ahead and check us out on AltCoin Buzz.io. And we'll see you guys next time. Keep an eye on that GDAX, those red candles. See what exactly is going on. So we'll see you guys.